Hit it!
Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Welcome, welcome back. Father, I thank you for another wonderful day. I thank you for allowing me to see another birthday. Yes, today is my birthday. Yeah, okay? And in celebration of my birthday, I have decided to do two things. One, have a sale in my shop for those of you who would like to patronize me. You can go to my LaJoytra Creation shop. And there you will receive 20% off your total price. So you can go, you can shop, and there you will find 20% off your purchase price, okay? 20% off for, now this sale that I'm running is going to run from May the 18th, which is today, which is my birthday. Yes, did I say today was my birthday? May the 18th till the 31st of May. So you will have about a week and a half from now until the 31st to get 20% off anything in my LaJoytra Creation shop. Everything there is on sale, okay? So this next thing that I want to talk to y'all about is some love mail, happy mail, whatever kind of mail you want to call it. I want to say appreciation mail because I appreciate this queen who sent this to me. For those of you who don't know her, her name is Mimi, okay? And she has a channel. The name of her channel is, I think it's Mimi 38, or forgive me, Mimi, if I'm not saying it right. But I will make sure that I leave all of her information somewhere in the description box for those of you to go and subscribe to her channel. She does a variety of things on her channel. She does DIYs on her channel. She does cooking videos on her channel. She does makeup tutorials on her channel. She shows you how to braid your hair on her channel. Yes, she does all of this on her channel. So I want to say thank you, Mimi. Thank you, Queen. Thank you, sis, so very much for thinking about me on this special day. So I have a box behind me. I'm going to put this box up here and I'm going to show y'all everything that I got with this love mail, happy mail, okay? So I have already opened it. So here is my box. And look at all the goodies I got in here. So much stuff. Okay. Now, I don't even know where to start. All right. So I'm going to put it right here and I'm going to take each piece out and, okay, so let's go ahead. So she sent me 2 of these wood plaques. Okay, got 2 of these. These are really cute. All right, 2 of these. The next item that she sent me was some Gorilla wood glue. Now I've never had this before. Now my nose, I don't know why my nose always do this. I've never had this Gorilla glue before. Excuse me, y'all. Okay, Gorilla wood glue. I've never had this. Thank you so much, sis. It says, for the toughest jobs on the planet. Ooh. So this must be some really awesome stuff. Now, I do have the regular Gorilla Glue, but I have never had this before. Now, I have to go and blow my nose. Okay. So, the next item that she gifted me with are these, y'all already know what these are. The Tumbling Tower. Okay, the Tumbling Tower. And see now, the ones that I got, they weren't in this package. The ones that I purchased came in like a brown package. Okay, so I have one of these. She also sent me some chalkboard tags. I have thought about buying these, but I never bought them. These are some chalkboard tags that she bought me. All right. I also have some paint brushes because she know I be painting. She know her girl be painting. So I got 7 paint brushes in here. Different sizes. Okay. I also got a real nice pair of all-purpose plus scissors. Wow. These look really, hold them up, y'all. Look at those scissors, y'all. You need as many pair of scissors as possible. Okay, so I got those. My next item that she gifted me was a phone case. And this is neat. I can wear it around my neck, y'all. Look at this, phone case. And you can wear it around your neck when you're going somewhere. Okay, thank you so much, Mimi, for this. So I have a phone case. Okay. I also have a beautiful card that I'm not going to read online. Thank you, Mimi, for my card. I will show you all what it looks like. Best wishes for you. Beautiful card. Okay. Some things have to be sentimental. Okay. So, wow, this is pretty. Think positive, feel positive, live positive. Wow, this is an awesome book. Wow. This is a book where you just write down your thoughts. This is really nice. Think positive, feel positive, and live positive. Awesome. That's really nice. And on the inside is blank sheets. And you just write your thoughts in here. This is something really good to have, y'all, because we always should write down our good thoughts. Okay? Our good thoughts. I also have this, I think this is an angle square ruler. That's what this is. Look at that. That's neat. There's a lot on here, y'all. It's a lot on here. One side has one way that you measure your things, and then another side has another way that you measure. Okay, got that. She also gifted me some of these gel pens. So I got some gel pens. I love this. You could have put all of this in there. This tacky glue, people really don't understand how wonderful and awesome this is. This is some awesome, awesome stuff, okay? Tacky glue, awesome. It will hold. You'll be surprised at the bonding that it does when you put it. I have a little case here, which is really, really cute. And inside my case, I have some other gifts. I have an embossing tool. Oh, this is a tool that I think you use to put on like little gemstones and stuff like that. I've never seen this at my Dollar Tree. Yeah, so there you have it. I also have some wire jute cord in this little kit. I have some markers, and this is metallic. This is, oh, all of these are metallic, and they're all by Crafted Square. I gotta try these out. Okay, these are beautiful colors. Okay, so I'm gonna put that back in here. Also, she gifted me some of these gem stickers. I have them in red and green. Okay. All right. The next thing she gifted me was these stickers right here. I've never seen these before. So I got these. And I also got these stars, which is really cute. I didn't see these in my Crafted Square section. Those are really cute. Thank you so much, Mimi. I also received, she thought of everything. She gave me 2 things of cards, like thank you cards. Wow. This is really nice. Thank you so much. Okay. Wow. This is a roller cutter. Wow, I had no idea they sold this. She got, see, this is why every $1.25 store sell different things. Now, they may sell this at mine, but when I go, I never see it. It's a first come, first serve thing, y'all. Y'all know that, right? Okay, so I got that. I also got some glue sticks by Jot. This is an awesome gift box. And I got some plates mats. She gave me 2 of these. These are some cutting mats for me to cut my stuff on, y'all. This is really neat. She gave me 2 of these. I have 2 of these. Okay. I also received some of this gloss paint. This is silver. Well, both of these are. Oh, they're silver, but it's 2 different. I guess they're 2 different types of silver. Okay, so these 2, and I got some stretch cord here. That's really nice. Stretch cord. And it says it has about 24 yards on here. And the very thing that I'm always looking for whenever I go to Walmart is these right here. These round wood shapes. These are 3 by 3. They don't have the size on them, but I did measure them. Okay, so I got all this wonderful stuff for my birthday. Thank you so much, Mimi. I greatly appreciate all of your support that you have shown to me down through the years here on YouTube, okay? Mimi is an awesome, beautiful person, okay? We have gotten to know each other down through the years. We talk on the phone, okay? Yes, so she is a beautiful friend, beautiful friend. Like I said, I'm gonna make sure I leave all her information somewhere down in the description box. Y'all go over, check her out, join her channel, subscribe to her channel, and I wanna say thank y'all so very much for joining me for this here birthday video. Don't forget to go and check out the sale that I'm running in my shop, 20% off from now until the 31st of May. Until my next upload, y'all have a wonderful and awesome day. Peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.